Types of networks. Different types of networks can be classified on the basis of geographical area they covered. There are 5 types of networks as follows. LAN, Local Area Network. LAN stands for Local Area Network. It is a digital communication system that interconnects a larger number of computers and other peripheral devices within a radius of less than 1 kilometer. This type of network is usually preferred for a smaller area such as residence, school, laboratory, university campus, or office building. By using the LAN network, users can exchange data and messages in the easy and fast way. Cables and communication devices are used to connect computers to the LAN. MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. This network consists of 2 or more local area networks or campus area networks together and usually spans several buildings in the same city or town. WAN, Wide Area Network. It is a digital communication system that interconnects a large number of computers over a wide geographical area. This network may operate on a worldwide or nationwide basis. In such type of network, there may not be physical connection between computers. In WAN, telephone lines, microwave, satellite links, etc. can be used as transmission medium. PAN, Personal Area Network. These are privately owned networks. PAN is used to establish the communication amongst the computers within the range of 20 to 30 feet. It can be wired or wireless. CAN, Campus Area Network. CAN, also known as Cluster Area Network, connects 2 or more LANs that are limited to specific geographical areas. For example, college campus, office building, etc. A campus area network is larger than LAN since it may span in multiple buildings within a specified area.